In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up Tubebuddy, how to download and install Tubebuddy Chrome extension, and finally, how to use Tubebuddy to grow your YouTube channel. Hi, and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Alright, so I'll put the link in the description box and also on the screen. Just click on it and follow the tutorial step by step. First, you have to create a Tubebuddy account. So it says sign in. So you click on it. All right, so you need to sign up. So I know a lot of people are concerned signing up Tubebuddy with their YouTube account. Everything will be okay. Tubebuddy is a certified company. All right, so don't worry much about it. I've been using it for quite some time now and everything is all right. There's no problem. So if you have multiple YouTube accounts, you need to sign up with one of them. And I'll move on to the next page. All right, so now I'm on the Tubebuddy dashboard. Once you sign up, download and install the Tubebuddy Chrome extension. So to do that, we need to go to Google, search for Tubebuddy Chrome extension, and click on Tubebuddy. Make sure you see the Chrome, all right, before you click on it. You need to add to Chrome, all right, so click on this. Click on Add Extension. All right, so once you see Remove from Chrome, that means it's installed. So please don't remove it. All right, so this is a plugin, and what it does is it gives you additional features and functions. So we need to go back to YouTube homepage and refresh or reload the page. All right, so this is the home page. I've refreshed it already. All right, so if you come back to YouTube homepage and you don't see this, just click on refresh. Click on sign in require. All right, thank you for installing Tubebuddy. So you need to read the privacy and terms. Click on check. Click on sign in with YouTube. Choose an account. So you need to select. So choose your account or a brand account. So you can choose just the email address with your name, or you can choose the one with your brand logo on it. In my case, I prefer to choose the one with my brand logo on it. So Tubebuddy want to access your Google account. Like I explained earlier on, you need to give Tubebuddy your Google access. It simply means you are giving yourself the chance to be able to use the Tubebuddy tool to your advantage, okay? So it doesn't restrict you. And also you can view YouTube analytics report for your YouTube content. You can manage your YouTube account, okay, all inside this, all right? Click on allow. This app wants permission to do anything you can do on your YouTube account. So this is what I was explaining. So it allows you to do whatever you want to do, not Tubebuddy. All right. So click on done. Click on the Tubebuddy extension logo. This is the reason why I want to keep my brand image. So when you first log in, you're going to have the starter plan, and this is free. I upgraded mine right away because I know the starter plan will be limited. You can upgrade it, and I'll show you the plan in a bit. Click on upgrade now, and you have the prices here. If you choose I will pay yearly, you're gonna pay $7.20 per month times 12. All right, but if you choose monthly, you're gonna pay like $9. On top of that, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, this is gonna change to $3 and something cents. So then you select one of these, either this, that, or this. Then it's gonna ask of your payment information and you process everything, all right? Then when your order is done, it's gonna say your order is complete. Thank you. Simply refresh your browser window on YouTube and you will see that Blogsdom has been upgraded. And this is it. It says License Pro. All right, so now I'm gonna show you how to use it. On the Tubebuddy Chrome extension, click on it. Then you can launch the Explorer dashboard by clicking Keyword Explorer, or you can click Launch Keyword Explorer now from here. So both sides work, okay? So click on this. For you to know that both sides work, let me just click here again, and I'll click here. See, and it brought me back to the same place, all right? Let's say, okay, then enter or explore. And one advice I'll give to you is always make sure you have the box on unweighted. Unweighted means it's external, all right? Including people who have not subscribed to your channel, all right? And weighted means those who have subscribed to your channel. Now, the reason why you see fair and poor, because my channel is not based on YouTube as a niche, okay? Mine is more of affiliate marketing, how to make money online and stuff like that. See how you have all this? Grow your YouTube channel 2021 and stuff like that. So you keep clicking each and every one. But like I said, you are limited when you have free account. So the best and the smartest way to do it is come here, video topics. All right, so these are topics that people are interested in. Actually, let me click on unweighted because we have to be here. All right, so these are topics that are doing well. Read through quick, and after, choose something that relates to the new video you want to create. So let's say how to grow YouTube channel fast. So click on this. You see, before it says poor and fair, right? So right now this one says, instead of fair, now it says excellent. And weighted, instead of poor, it says good, okay? So that's the power and the trick of using the video topics, all right? 89 over 100. So let me go back again to the main topic I was searching before. So you come down here and click on it. So you see, that's how you toggle between your search. I'll go back to video topics. So this one, let me click this one and see. So let me just go back and I'll click on, so how to grow a YouTube channel fast, and I will search how to grow your YouTube channel. All right, so this one is still 89. Channel 2021. Let's see this one. Boom. See how to grow your YouTube channel 2021. The search volume is massive all the way to the end. All right. So this is excellent. This is very good. This is good. This is fair. And this is poor. All right. When you check this, it's 52.6 million people searching these results every month. Okay. And the competition is good. All right. That means you have a lot of people doing videos about this topic. So you just have to take note and how to play your game. The longer your title, the better it is for you. And optimization strength. All right, so the way you phrase it, how to grow your channel 2021, yeah, it's good. And a lot of people are searching this phrase. If I want to keep this, what I would do, I will just go here, action, and you click on optimize in SEO Studio. So as you can tell, I have 62% right now, but it's better to make this turn into green. So we'll work on it. So first of all, it's saying include your target keyword naturally in the title. So I'll say how to grow your YouTube channel 2021 and make money. Or what I can do, take off this and still the same, okay? So which means it's good. Learn how to grow your channel and make money. Okay, so now we're gonna add the partial keyword. Now that red sign is gone because I partially included the keywords in here. It helps the YouTube algorithm to know what this particular video is all about. So this is like WordPress blogging except. So let me show you. This here is except. All right, so this is what Google or YouTube will read and know where to distribute your video, okay? All right, so I'll just keep it simple here. I don't want to add too much, but you can add whatever you want after, okay? Because you can leave it like this. You need to add more stuff, but these first two lines are really, really important. All right, so I'll leave it like that. Then you move on to next. Now you have so how to grow your channel. So it's saying include partial match of your target keyword, include more relevant keywords. All right. So you see, this one says how to grow your channel 2021, but this one says how to grow your channel. And I took off the 2021, so it's partial. Okay. That's why it's gone. Then it says include more relevant tags. So by default, this should go past 200. So what I do, these are relevant tags. If I really want it, I'll just click add, or you can go by score. Okay, so by score is also good, but I'll go by relevant this time. Then I'll click add. Okay, so see, because it's way past, I believe 300 actually. Yeah, 300, not 200, because it says include more relevant tags. All right. Then the last but not least, you need to add your channel name. So in my case, Blogsdom, this is good. Click on next. Based on this title, this guy is number 1, number 2, 3, and the list goes on. We need to create a thumbnail. Then when we finish, you come down here and you upload. Okay. I'll try and create one quick. So I normally use Canva. So I'll go here and I'll type YouTube. The elements, that's where you have all the fancy stuff. Then type in YouTube. All right. So this is it. You can just grab any of them. Let's try to use this or this one. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I will go like this just to be creative. So grab a text. You don't want a font that will be hard for people to read. You can go here, there, change this to black. Click on it again and Control C, Control V. On Windows, then click white. Find the text one more time. See, I want to delete this, so click on it. Delete element, not group. If you click group, it's gonna delete everything. Control C, Control V, and I'll go here, turn this into red or that. Okay, so I'm showing you ways to play with this thing. When your image is properly optimized, it's really good for you. So grow your YouTube channel. Then you can add 2021 because that's the keyword we are targeting. Then space dash space your channel name. All right, you're gonna download it. Okay. All right, so I'll go back, download. This is it. Boom. All right, so this is how it's gonna look like. All right. Great job. Your optimized title, description, and targets are ready. Apply this optimization on a video details or upload page. So what you're gonna do, save. All right, so it's saved. So as you can tell, I have one here already. I'll show you how to work this. So you close it. Let's go here. And believe me, this thing is helping me a lot, man. My channel is growing. All right, so let me go content. Your new video you are working on will pop up here and you're just gonna have to work on it, okay? Okay, so I have 2 videos on YouTube. Let's say I want to work it on this one. I'll click it. SEO Tools, load from save draft. So I'll click on it. So now, if I click on this, how to grow your channel 2021, what it's gonna do, it's gonna update everything here. It's gonna change this thumbnail to this. and the description that we use, everything will change. Okay, you just click on save. This will be blue. That's how it works. Thank you for your time. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.